In this video, I'm going to explain how we found off-the-shelf hoses that look like they were made specifically for our application. The lower port on the Holley water pump measured 1.55 inches. The lower port on the radiator measured 1.50 inches. The upper port on the Holley water pump measured 1.31 inches, and the upper port on our radiator measured 1.25 inches. We made ourselves a cardboard template for the upper hose, and we cut it to the actual inside diameter of 1 1/4 inches and made it the shape that we thought it should be. It took us a couple of tries to get the shape of the cardboard just right. The lower radiator hose has a 1 1/2 inch inside diameter and is a bit more complicated than the upper hose. It needs to make an immediate S-curve to get around a bolt that is sticking out of the car's frame that I am pointing to right here. After the S-curve, the hose needs to make a 45-degree upturn and then head up to the upper port of the Holley water pump. The closest match I could find for our cardboard template was this NAPA 7460 1 1/2 inch inside diameter hose. This hose is longer than our template, but that's actually a good thing because the enlarged part at the top can be cut off. If you bend a molded hose more sharply than it's designed to bend, you get pinching, which is what Dylan is illustrating right here. But if you bend it a little bit less sharply than it's designed to bend, not too much happens. It's basically okay. Just something to keep in mind. There are probably cleaner ways to cut a hose than this, but this box cutter did get the job done. Here's a good look at how much of the hose we cut off. And here's a trial fit of the lower hose without clamps. It actually fits pretty good. Here's a hose that matched our upper template very well. It's a Gates 21947. The hose continues on beyond the part that we need, but that's just fine. Here Dylan is trial fitting and using his thumb to guesstimate where the hose needs to be cut. After cutting the upper hose, it was time to do a trial fit. First, Dylan attached the hose to the water pump and then shoved it onto the radiator. It actually fit amazingly well on the first try. We added stainless hose clamps like the one I'm pointing to here and this one here, and the installation was complete. Comments and questions are always welcome, and they help other viewers. Thank you for watching.